Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Bren Espera, which is located in Avalahalli, Budigiri Cross, East Bangalore. And this project is developed by Bren Corporation. And today we are doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, this is the actual land parcel and behind me is the marketing office of Bren Espera. And about the land parcel is just on my right hand side where the construction work is going on. Now what exactly Housey is? So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project with the help of this beautiful 3D model. And this project will be constructed on total 4.39 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers having 2 basement, ground plus 26 floors with purely 3 BHK residencies in different variants. Now coming to the location part, and Bren Espera is located on Old Madras Highway in Avalahalli, Budigiri Cross, East Bangalore. And now let me show you the connectivity. So basically this road is the Old Madras Highway, and this side you can connect towards Kattamanallur, and the opposite side road that is just behind me you can connect to Avanahalli. And now this project is just located opposite to Decathlon. Decathlon is 1 kilometers away from the project. Hirandanahalli is 1.1 kilometers. With Orion Uptown Mall is 2.5 kilometers from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you luxurious amenities like there is 21,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, including all the indoor amenities like gymnasium and other amenities. Other amenities like swimming pool. Here comes the garden area, kids play area. This is the multi-purpose court, jogging track, open gymnasium and many more. Now coming to the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project provides you purely 3 BHK premium residences with 4 sizes starting from 1563, 1627, 1680 and 1682 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the booking process, and the project booking window is open now. So if you like our project, then you can visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for direct bookings. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project that is Bren Espera, which is located in Avalahalli in Budigiri Cross, East Bangalore, a project developed by Bren Corporation.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.